tube. Is this thing for emissions? Emissions canister? No. What is that thing?
The vacuum thing.
Vacuum? Hitachi vacuum canister.
You're gonna have to see and get a valve cover or see if you can get one repaired.
Valve cover? Oh, timing cover? I'll get a new one. I'll find one. They do exist.
Give me the cover.
Go right in your eye. Shit. Maybe the greaser? That looks nice. There you go, broke it.
You see, getting the clutch for this stuff?
Yep, new clutch. Exetti stage 1. Everything you need and then some.
Hold the motor.
That's the AC hose.
Yeah. Change this one.
Need to change this? What is that?
What do you call?
Crankcase sensor? No. It's just a guide.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to pull the car into the garage at this point to see if we can stick the engine in there. We're gonna need a little help with that. This thing's heavy for our own little thing. This little number here. But it'd be worth it.
Yeah, hold this.
See this little Datsun 210 over here? I know you're not into these old Japanese things. There's something to be said about simplicity. It doesn't even have a side mirror from the factory. What's up, YouTube fam? All right, so what do? We did the timing cover area. I ordered a new timing cover. It's coming, hopefully in the next few days. I had to find it, but I found it. We did the valve cover. We covered that. That's cleaned. We put a new clutch in, and we're pretty much close to putting the engine back in the car. The only thing left really is the oil pan gasket, but I think we'll do that when we put the motor already in the car. Yeah, it's coming along, I think. I don't know. We're getting somewhere. I wish it was already in the car, but this is better than nothing. So hopefully we'll be back at work with this thing in the next few days, and maybe I don't know, 2 more videos from now we'll be on the road with it, because we got other cars to fix. See you guys soon.